want to delegate access to your Cloudflare account in order for us to link your domain with your website. In order to do this, we have to share the DNS records, and to be able to share the DNS records, we need to delegate access to us. So, obviously, you're going to start here in the dashboard. You're going to come to the sidebar, scroll all the way down to Manage Account, Members, and then we're going to invite someone. So in here, you're going to insert an email address. Let's just insert this for now. Add them. And then we're going to come down. If you have multiple domains, then you can select which ones are shared with us. Obviously, if you only have one, then it doesn't really matter. Just come along and select all domains. Obviously, if you had more than one, you could select individually if you went to a specific domain and then select it on the side. But now you're going to come down here, and there's a lot of these. These are just the permissions, so you can share if you wanted to. Super administrator with us, that would give us access to everything, make it nice and easy. Otherwise, you can come down, and the only one you need to share is DNS. If you make sure that one's shared, then we'll have access to all we need to have access to, and we can get this sorted for you nice and easily. Once you've selected that, scroll all the way down, continue to summary. Obviously, I haven't selected a domain up here, so it won't take me through. But once you click that button, it'll take you through the process. It's nice and easy. There's only a couple steps left, and then we'll have access, and we'll be able to link your domain with your website for you.